Hello everyone, let's practice our sounds together today. We've got another picture. This time it's vulture. Vulture. Can you hear the sound at the beginning of vulture? That's right. V. V. Well done. The sound today is V. It's a long, stretchy sound. Let's see some V pictures. This man is looking at a vase. 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 Vulture. Vulture. Vet. Vet. Vest. Vest. Vase. Vulture. Vet. Vest. Well done. Do you think you can do the pictures without me? I'm sure you can. Super duper sounds. Well done. Let's draw the vulture. 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 Well done. Vulture. Vulture. When we see this side, we say vulture. Vulture. This side is well done. Vulture. Your turn. That's right. Our sound today is V. Let's spot the V sound in our pack of sounds. You're doing so well, everybody. Lovely magnet eyes. Let's say our sounds together. When we see the V sound, we're going to point and say V. Are you ready? Magnet eyes. Woo. T. Th. G. Ch. Y. Qu. Nk. D. Sh. I. O. Ng. Well spotted. Now it's your turn. I'm not going to help you this time. I think you can do it. Ready, magnet eyes. Well done. Let's have a round of applause. Fred likes to say words. Hi, Fred. Ooh. He's feeling a bit poorly. He thinks he needs to see a v-et. 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 Vet. That's right. V-et. Vet. V-et. Vet. Well done. Super sounds. Fred says he's seen a v-a-n. V-a-n. That's right. V-a-n. Van. Have you seen a van outside? V-a-n. Van. V-a-n. Van. Well done. Super duper Fred talk. Let's read some of Fred's green words together. Remember, we say each sound like Fred does, and then we say the word. Are you ready? Fred talk and read. Did you get this one? D-I-G. Dig. Your turn. Well done. Fred talk and read. Fred talk and read. Fred talk and read. Fred talk and read. Last one. Well done. Super duper Fred talk, and I could hear lots of people saying the right sounds and reading the words. Well done. We're going to do our spellings now. Have you got your book and your pencil ready? Fantastic. Okay. Fred's word. D-I-G. 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 Dig, that's right. D-I-G. Dig. D-I-G. Dig. How many sounds in the word dig? D, I, G. That's 3 sounds. Let's pinch the sounds on in Fred talk. D, I, G. Dig. Ready? D, I, G. Dig. D for dinosaur. I for insect. G for girl. Are you ready to write dig in your books now? Pause the video while you write it and ask a grown-up to check. Have you written dig? Help me write dig. D, dig, dig. Did you get it right? Well done. You're trying your best. Give it a tick for D. If it's not quite right, you can correct it. It should say D, then I, then G. Dig, dig. Dig, dig. Well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Fred's next word is and. And. And, that's right. Well done. And. 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 I'm going to squeeze those sounds onto my fingers. And. And. Can you do that? Show me your 3 fingers. And. 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 Brilliant. Write and in your books now. Pause the video and ask a grown-up to check. Have you written and? Maybe you can help me, because sometimes I find it tricky. And. First I need round the apple, down the leaf. Then I need for net. And. Can you hear the sound on the end? And. D. That's right. D on the end. Round his bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. And. 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 A tick for a tick for n, and a tick for d. If it's not quite right, you can correct it now. And. Well done, you're working so hard. That's it for phonics today. Well done for listening. Our sound today is V. V. Well done. Practice writing your sound on your worksheet at home. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.